This is the Travel Duffel Pack 65 liter by Peak Design, where maximum capacity meets maximum comfort. Fully padded shoulder and waist straps and a stowable sternum strap make hauling gear comfortable, yet it all packs away beneath magnetically sealed flaps. An extra long zipper path gives total access and visibility for easy packing and unpacking. Internal pockets for small stuff, external pockets for larger stuff. Carrying more? Instantly add 20 liters of capacity. In a rush? Grab and go via robust padded handles on the sides, ends, and shoulder straps. A weatherproof shell, weatherproof zip, and durable bottom liner keep your gear protected. And it works perfectly with Peak Design packing tools. The Travel Duffel Pack 65 liter, a comfortable, versatile, monster gear hauler.